Time for a little Devnet update. So it's been a little while, and I wanted to bring you guys up to speed on where I am with the Devnet course. There's been a lot going on, and I've been really focused on getting that done. I've been feeling a little under the weather too, so whatever energy I have, I wanted to put towards that course. It's going great. The Devnet course is a massive course, and if you may recall, we've split it up among 3 different trainers. Keith Barker is doing Network Fundamentals. Ben Finkel is doing the software development portion, so covering APIs, data formats, Python, application deployment, and I'm handling the Cisco specific stuff. So covering all of the Cisco platform offerings as well as the automation portion. That's where I'm coming in. Now I'm almost done with all of my recordings. I've got about 6 or 7 skills left to record. Skills are somewhere between 5 to 10 videos. So to tell you about what my recordings are like so far, here's what we're basically doing. I'm covering every single platform that's listed on that outline, but I'm also going a little bit further than what they're requiring. They're talking about just describe the capabilities in the APIs, and then they do list off a couple examples of construct code or interpret code for performing these specific actions. Really what I'm doing is I want to at least demonstrate how to get connected and authenticated to every single one of these platforms, and at least, at a minimum, pull down data off of these devices. Because really, what good is describing a platform if you don't know how to actually use it? I really wanted to give you the opportunity to learn how to use these skills in a real-world scenario. So you can expect this course to give you real-world scenarios, real-world job skills. And speaking of real-world job skills, one particular skill that's already published to the CBT Nuggets platform that I'd recommend you watch, just in case you're really serious about doing this stuff in a real development environment, is Azure Logic Apps. I know that sounds crazy. You're like, Azure, Cloud, Microsoft, what does that have to do with Cisco network automation? Just trust me. Azure Logic Apps is all about automating and integrating platforms that weren't designed to talk to each other by default, and it does it all in a very simple-to-use GUI. So one thing that I would say that if you're really serious about doing this stuff in a real-world scenario, check out the skill on Azure Logic Apps, because I think there's a real chance for you to use that in conjunction with network automation. So I recorded the YouTube video that you just watched, and then I recorded a couple more skills for the Devnet, SD-WAN, and security, in case you're curious. And then it occurred to me that I left out something very important out of all of these videos that I've been talking about with Devnet, and I really want to get this one off my chest. If you're looking at the exam outline and you're seeing all of the different Cisco platforms, the core routing and switching with iOS, then you see Nexus, then you see Data Center with ACI, then you see DNA with Campus, then you see SD-WAN, then you see collaboration, then you see security, then you see UCS, then you see NSO, and you're going, whoa, I don't do all of those things. At least not right now. I don't even know where to start with Data Center. Am I expected to know all of the inner workings of ACI? Let me reassure you right now that this course is absolutely for you, because we'll be introducing these platforms at a very high and basic level and then showing you how to get started connecting to them with Postman and Python and all the other SDKs that come with it. The key thing for this exam is that they want you to understand these platforms' capabilities and the different types of APIs that they expose. So rest assured that if you don't work with these things right now, they're not expecting you to be a CCIE in every single offering that they have. You can absolutely get started with our course and cover all of the basics of all of the different Cisco platforms. So I just wanted to throw that in there before we wrapped up. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.